Trades are low, and it's morning still for me. Earlier finish today with work and whatnot, so I thought I'd put together an end of week review. I didn't actually take any trades as an immediate disclosure, but I do have gold. And what's disappointing is I put that rectangle. If you watch my videos, I would have put that rectangle around a while ago. And I guess, honestly, I've not been paying much attention to gold until it really started properly breaking out. Like it consolidated again a little bit, but imagine just right there, what was the high there? 1770, and just sort of holding. But who would have thought that it really would move so aggressively? And it did. I mean, let's go to the weekly chart here and have a little look. This is just more a talking point. You know, it's not like, wow, like there's a trade idea. What I would say is you want to see how next week opens up for Monday, Tuesday, and then Tuesday night. If it holds above 1900, you know, higher. So I think really the meat of the move has been made. I mean, that is a very significant weekly candle. It's bullish. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. I want to have a look at the Aussie as well. Unfortunately, I didn't get in the Aussie either. I will be very keen to enter the Aussie now. It's sort of bottomed out, taken out some stops or some trailing exits, and taken out some liquidity. And I see this as bullish. So I'm happy to get in long on the Aussie as it's holding above 71. As you can see, I tried earlier, that was last week or maybe even a little while ago, to get in long there on a breakout, which I was really happy. It failed. I was looking for this, that's obviously, and I hesitated, and I was unfortunate. I still need to remain more detached from my positions, and I can see that now looking at the chart and how I was feeling when looking at it. I said to myself, well, it's doing the same thing. I'm like, I don't want to lose, So you can't think like that. You really can't. You've got to keep the risk management tight. And if you see a setup, you got to take it. Euro. Nick Bolville was discussing. He was bullish the euro, and it's looking pretty red hot right now. Wow, that's a breakout. That's making a tear. Making a tear. Oh boy, look at the weekly. I don't do Elliott Wave right now. This was for a prop firm that I work for still. We're currently inactive though, my account, just due to everything that's going on. So hopefully soon they'll reinstate the funds. Love to trade again for City Investment Solutions. Again, on the Aussie, gold, and euro, you just want to wait to see what happens on Monday. I guess the talking point right now would be China and US and the continued heightened tensions, I would say, with consulates being closed down and everything like that, and the South China Sea stuff. So that doesn't really seem to have affected risk sentiment. Let's just see how the S&P 500 closed, just to give a bit of a gauge on risk sentiment here. If I can find it. I think it's actually further to the left. Is it? I think it is. I had a pretty good sleep last night as well, so I don't really have an excuse. There it is right there. Okay, so it actually did cool off a little bit. But how the currencies are behaving would insinuate that risk sentiment is still pretty on. Did it bounce? Not really. No, it did soft a little bit. But that's not really reflected in the high beta currencies like the Aussie, the pound, the euro, gold. Obviously, is people have, they're buying into it. They're obviously a little bit concerned about what's going on. Guys, I think really that was probably the watch list and the review, because there's not much to review, obviously, with me not we're not making any trades. So I think I'll leave it there, to be fair. But I hope everyone has a great weekend. Please feel free to leave a comment. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. And if you do leave a comment, ask a question, give me some feedback, I'll happily get to it straight away as well. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and bye for now.